Alright you guys, welcome back. So now that the nails are dry, we're going to take the top coat. So I use the RK by Kiss and it's HD, this top nail polish, as you can see. So I use this. So this right here is more like a gel top coat and it lasts longer, and also it looks like gel on top even though it's regular nail polish. So you're going to take your nail like you do any other nail. So this is a nail right here that is dry. So this is your top coat. Your top coat allows it to get a shine type look, like gel. Even though this is not gel, it gives a gel look. See? It gives a gel look just like this. So it has a perfect shine. And even though when it dries, it still looks like this through the whole nail. All the nails look like this once it dries. It's not that door look when some top coats get on there. So it's like that. And you're gonna do the rest for all of it. Quick, put the top coat on all of it. So you're gonna do that. You're gonna do it again for all the other ones. Now we're gonna get to the gel one. Not the gel, the glitter one. So you're gonna make sure you do more than one coat for the top coat though. You're gonna make sure it's good on there. Very, very nice. Like I said, if you see anything sticking out that you don't like, just press it down. So it's very nice. So, well, this is for the glitter. As you can see, this is the glitter one that I have right here that's done. So you're gonna also do the same thing. See, right now the glitter is coming off, but once you put the gel top coat on there, it's gonna look like the rest of the nails. It's gonna look like the nail polish came this way. So now that it's not coming off, because the top coat seals the nail up on top. The top coat seals the nail polish, the glitter polish from coming off. You're gonna do that again. Make sure you get all angles of the nail. Cause like I said, if you don't get all the angles of the nail, it will come off. And every once in a while, you may get a piece here and there. For the most part, though, you will not see any more glitter come off this nail once you have put your top coat on there. And like I said, for that part, you want to make sure you get the ends of it. Do it again, but this is with the regular polish, of course. Now you will get a few pieces on your non-glitter nail, but it's okay. No one's gonna tell the difference, and also it saves you a lot of money and time going to these shops when you can do it at home. And press on nails lasts just as long as the nails in the nail shop. Because if you look at it, think about it. When you bump your nail within the week, you have to go pay for that same nail to get it fixed. Or some people won't go get it fixed. They'll just use the nail glue to glue it back on. But why pay all that money to glue back on your own nails when you can do your own nails in the beginning? Like I said, it's my choice, my preference. Everybody have their own choice and preference. But to me, if you want to save money and still look nice, this is the best way. And on Amazon, they have all different kinds. They have stilettos, they have square, they have circle, any kind you can think of. And these nails right here, you can also use the polygel nails. Well, no, I take that back. You can't do the polygel nails on here. But they do have polygel nail sets that you can make your own set. So they have the polish and all that there on Amazon as well. But in the meantime, you like I said, on a tight budget, you can get these. And now that all these nails are done, we're gonna wait till they dry, and then we'll place them on our hands. But like I said, this is the blue tack that you need right here. You need top coat. I prefer this top coat, but like I said, if you're on a budget, this $1.99 is your local beauty supply store. And this is the brand that I use, and I got this from Amazon. It was like $7.99, $8.99 for 500 nails. And then if you prefer not the clear ones and you prefer the nude color nails, these are also $7 or $8.99. You can find these on Amazon, and I'll leave it on my link below so that you can follow that. And this also here is the different glitter. So this is also the glitter that I just got done using. No, my bad. This is not the glitter I just got done using. This is the color I just got done using. But it comes in different colors. You have red and pink. You have all those colors right there. And also you have your file. You can get this at your local beauty supply store as well. And you have this. Now this is, you cut down the nails here, but I'm not quite for sure what this is called. When I figure it out, I will let you guys know. But you've seen this at the nail salon a lot of times though. That's true. So, and also too, my nail collection, I have many other nail collections with nail polish, but I just go to local beauty supply store, and every couple of days, or you know, when I feel like going, I buy 4 or 5 at a time. So it'll be like $5. So 4 or 5 fingernail polishes. So yep, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Like and subscribe, and like I said, down below there will be a link to let you know whether you can get your nails, your sticks, your glitter, and anything else you may need, so you can do your own nails at home. Thanks, guys. Come back and see me again.